This is a used 2012 Chevrolet Suburban, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, trailer hitch, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Garber Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3380 Highway 17, Green Cove Springs, Florida 32043.